How to determine if a number is a prime? Recall that a prime number has no factors other than 1 and itself. Given a number n, if we can establish that no number between 1 and n is a factor of n, then we can say that n is a prime. Let's do a few examples. Is 15 a prime? One way is to list all the numbers between 1 and 15 and check for each number if they are a factor of 15. Let's start from 2. 2 is not a factor of 15. 3 is a factor of 15 since 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Since we have found a factor of 15 other than 1 and 15, so we'll say that 15 is not a prime. Let's do another example. Is 77 a prime? Listing all the numbers between 1 and 77 would be a tedious task. Luckily, there is a shorter way. We'll just have to check the numbers less than square root of 77. Square root of 77 is a little less than 9 since square root of 81 is equal to 9. So we'll check all the numbers between 1 and 9. Let's check for 2. 2 is not a factor of 77. 3 is not a factor of 77. 4 is not a factor of 77. Similarly, 5 is not a factor of 77. 6 is not a factor of 77. 7 is a factor of 77 since 7 multiplied by 11 is equal to 77. Since again we have found a factor, so we'll say that 77 is not a prime. Let's do another example. Is 97 a prime? We'll just have to check numbers less than the square root of 97, which is a little less than 10. So we'll list all the numbers between 1 and 10 and check for each number. 2 is not a factor. 3 is not a factor. Similarly, none of these numbers is a factor of 97. So we'll say that 97 is a prime number. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. You can also find more explanation on our website infinite-math.com.